Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick that's really going to level up your Mailchimp emails, specifically how to add a clickable phone number so your readers can just tap and call you straight from your message. This is such a simple upgrade, but trust me, it can boost response rates and make it so much easier for people to get in touch with you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a clickable call us link to any Mailchimp email in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. So first things first, make sure you're in your Mailchimp account and you've opened up the design of the email you want to edit. You'll usually find yourself in Mailchimp's email builder, where you can tweak and add anything you need. If you're new to the Mailchimp layout, just navigate to Campaigns, pick the email and click Edit Design. Once you're in there, you'll see all your different content blocks. Now locate the spot where you want the phone number to appear. This might be in your email's footer, up at the top with your contact info, or even somewhere in the middle if you're highlighting a special offer or a customer support line. Pick a text block or add a new one by dragging it from the sidebar if you don't have one there yet. Once you're happy with the placement, click into the text area, type out the phone number as you'd want your readers to see it. For example, you might write, "Call us 123 456 7890. This is the information your audience will see in their inbox, so feel free to add any helpful context like office hours or a friendly note encouraging them to reach out. Clarity is key here, where we add the magic touch, making that number clickable. So select the phone number text with your mouse so it's highlighted. Then look for that familiar little link icon in the toolbar that pops up. It often looks like a little chain. Click on it and you'll get a field where you can paste or type in the link you want the number to point to. Now here's the important part. Instead of a website link, type or paste TEL 123-456-7890 into that box. That TEL at the beginning tells phones and some email clients, hey, this is a phone number, so when someone taps it, their device knows to launch their calling app. If you're ever confused, you can always double-check. TEL directly followed by the number is the format you want. No spaces or special characters except the dashes, which help with readability. Click Insert or Save, depending on what your Mailchimp editor says. Pause for a moment. It's a small step but makes all the difference. Now, before you move on, hover over the number to see the link pop up. If you want to be extra sure, send yourself a test email and open it on your phone. Tap the link, your dialer should pop right up. If anything's off, just double-check the link you entered, and that's it. You've now got a phone number in your Mailchimp email that's instantly clickable for your subscribers. This tiny feature can seriously improve customer support, sales, or just the overall professional feel of your emails. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions about Mailchimp or want to see more email marketing tips, drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.